Hello, my name's Don Ward. I'm the Chief Executive of CIB, and in this short video I'd like to give you an introduction to who we are and what we do. We're the global network for collaboration for innovation in the built environment. The name CIB comes from our original French name Conseil International du Bâtiment, or in English, International Council for Research and Innovation in Buildings and Construction. We were established in 1953. We're an international association with worldwide membership, and we still have a special consultative status with the United Nations. Our objectives are to provide a global network for international exchange and cooperation in research and innovation in the built environment sector, to improve the performance of research and researchers in that respect, to make the world's knowledge accessible, and to promote research as a vital contributor to industry development and societal growth. The scope of our work covers all aspects from technical, economic, environmental to organisational, through all stages of the built environment life cycle and the whole process of research, from basic and applied research to documentation and transfer of results to implementation and application. Our membership is well over 200, of which about half are corporate members, either full or associate, and 50% are individuals. We have some 60 odd universities in membership. 12% of the membership are research institutes, 5% are from industry bodies or firms. And the membership comes from all over the globe, as you can see in the chart, somewhat dominated by Europe, which is in the majority, but by relocating to Canada in 2019, as I'll discuss briefly at the end, our target is to see growth in North America and Latin America in particular. The benefits of membership are nicely summarised in this brochure, which was published in the middle of 2020 and is easily found on the website. We set out our portfolio of activities and benefits under the headings of Collaborate and Compare, Inclusion and Inspiration, Belong and Boost. Our activities focus on 43 expert working commissions and task groups and 21 student chapters and a new global network for early career researchers. A lot of conferences, a lot of online events, particularly in 2020, publications and partner journals, and a research database which is easily accessible for all our members are key features of our work. And every 3 years we hold a major conference, the World Building Congress, of which more just at the end of this video. Here's the list of the 43 working commissions and task groups. They fall under 3 overarching themes of sustainable construction, integrated design and delivery systems, and resilient urbanisation. You can easily access all these commissions through the website from the tab Commissions, and detailed information about their previous work and future plans is easily available there. And as already mentioned, here's our list of student chapters around the globe. We're very proud to support these local networks to ensure that those embarking on a career in research in our sector feel strongly supported and fully part of our global network. And there are a number of prestigious awards made available for students through this network. Just a quick word on our governance. Every 3 years, the General Assembly elects a board of up to 25 members. That comprises the key officers, of which more in a minute, and the chairs of our main committees, including the Programme Committee, which supervises the working commissions and task groups, the Marketing and Communications Committee, and the Student Chapters Committee. So here is the list of our board members. The officers are on the left, headed by the President, Keith Hampson from Curtin University in Australia. We have 2 Vice Presidents, Chalidra Percy of Brands in New Zealand and Mark Hastak of Purdue University in the USA. Our Treasurer is Peter Paul van het Veen of TNO in the Netherlands, and the key chairs of committees are Kalle Kakkonen, Ron Wakefield and Albert Chan. Other board members are shown here on the right, and we're incredibly grateful to all these people for an amazing amount of volunteer effort which they put in to ensure that CIB is well governed and delivers the services and value that our members expect. As I mentioned earlier, in 2019, we relocated our operations to Canada, to Ottawa. And the AIBC is the company there that is incorporated as a not-for-profit organisation. It delivers most of the services for CIB, which remains incorporated as an association in the Netherlands. We believe this will deliver superior value and offer opportunities for us to grow in the Americas and to secure further third-party funding. Finally, a plug for the 22nd World Building Congress, which will be hosted in Melbourne in late June 2022. You can see here the website to go to pre-register and to find out more information about this event. This is our flagship conference held every 3 years. And we're incredibly grateful to RMIT in Melbourne, one of our leading member universities, and Professor Ron Wakefield there, who will be our hosts for what I'm sure will be a splendid event. Of course, all travel restrictions permitting, and we are planning for a hybrid event, and if it was necessary, for an online event if pandemic restrictions or other difficulties made a face-to-face conference difficult. We look forward to seeing you one way or another in Melbourne in June 2022. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. If you have any more questions, please do go browse the website, or you can email us at secretariat@cibworld.org. Thank you again.